What's going on, guys? Jake Teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. We have got new leaked photos of the 2021 Ford Bronco over at Bronco 6G. Someone's got a drone and they've either slipped out some drone shots, Ford's done it, or somebody else has done this and got them out to us. But essentially, it looks like they're testing it against the Chevrolet ZR2. And what do we have over here? I believe that would be the Sport, the Bronco Sport, the smaller one. Definitely looks like he's got an off-road package with the roof rack, and then looks like some wheels and black accent package and kind of a two-tone deal going on there. And the two-door, I mean, the resolution on the photos are pretty terrible, but there it is. So you've got the rear-mounted spare. Those are definitely, they look like the steel wheels. You've got the hood latches. It looks like this is a removable hardtop. And what else can we see here? This is, I literally just clicked on these photos, so I haven't researched and seen what the forum members are saying about the car. But so I just want to get these out to you guys. There it is. This was posted not too long ago. Let's just scroll down and see if there's any comments that we can find. So that's Cyber Orange. Okay, and yeah, okay, so this is Cyber Orange apparently, if you guys keep up with the colors that they're coming out with. Okay, so that's Cyber Orange. Let's just scroll down and check out some more of the comments, see if we find anything else. People are excited, that baby's excited. That is definitely the ZR2. The F150's out there. You know that the 2021 F150 is going to be revealed in a few days. If you don't know, now you know. And okay, people are excited, even Walter White. So, okay, Ford decided to tweet and basically say that they're going to move the release date for the Ford Bronco from July 9th to July 13th. Nicole Brown, Simpson's sister, basically was not happy about that, and I don't blame her. So, regardless, do you know how many people now know about the Ford Bronco that didn't otherwise have any care in the world about the Ford? I mean, there's so many car magazines, and it was all over the internet about how the release date was on OJ, because everybody in the world knew about OJ Simpson, right? And everybody in the world knew that he drove a Ford Bronco. So the new release of the Ford Bronco, that was totally intentional. I'm sorry. The coincidence, the payoff for the coincidence is way too high for it to be. I mean, it could still be unintentional, but I'm saying if you just look at what happened, it seems like the payoff is so high because there's so many people that are aware of who OJ Simpson is and are aware. I mean, everybody in the entire world knew about that, right? So there's so many people that are aware of OJ Simpson, so many people that are aware of the Bronco. No one knew about a 21 Ford Bronco. No one cares. No one keeps up with this except for car people, right? Actually, people who follow Ford, people who follow trucks, people who follow off-road stuff. The general population doesn't really care. But now the general population, a lot of those people actually got to see all these news articles and stuff. So regardless whether or not that was intentional or unintentional, a ton of people know about this now. So I don't know if that's ethical. That's up to you. You can decide that, if that was good on there or not. But a lot of people know about it now. So just wanted to show you guys. This is the two-door Bronco and the Bronco Sport. This is Cyber Orange, I believe is what they called it. And there's the Sport in the background. There's the F-150. There's the two-door, full-sized. And there is the ZR2. And they're testing them out. So hopefully in a few days, July 13th, not July 9th, we'll see the full debut. So hit the subscribe button. I will keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news, especially for the 2021 Bronco and the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-1. I've got some Amazon links below for my favorite products, and I will catch you in the next video.